because I don't want to show you all my products. But so when you're setting up your product in Seller Central and you'll come to the Keywords tab, that allows you to put in things into the subject matter area. Now, Amazon will auto-suggest things to go into that subject matter for you, but you do not need to use those auto-suggestions. You can put your own things in. And I have found if I am struggling to get a word or a phrase indexed for my product, let me just show you what the hell that means. Yeah, that'll do. Awesome blue. So let's suppose I'm just taking the ASIN number, Amazon Standard Identification Number. I'm putting it there, and I already know that that is going to be indexed for the word blue, but let me just show you. So one result for toy store blue, like that. Okay, so one result, meaning that product, that blue brick mug, is linked up with the word blue in Amazon's search algorithm. But will it be linked up for the word red? No, it is not. No results. So Amazon has not indexed the word red with this product, all right? So that's how you check that. So if I'm struggling to get a word indexed, like the word red, with this product, for instance, supposing I want to do that, or Donald's fluffy vibrators, dildos, whatever they were, then I put that word into subject matter, and typically within 12 hours, it's linked together. So that's how I use that, Karen. That's what I use it for. I use it for words that I'm struggling to get indexed, and it works really, really well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.